sunshine. So today we're going to be unboxing Feeling Fab, which is a monthly self-care, self-love, self-growth subscription box that also includes clean beauty. This will run you $28.99 a month, and I have to say, before we even get into this box, I'm so excited to get into this, but first and foremost, I need this box made into a t-shirt. Okay, first, the actual, like, the color of the box itself is a light lavender, and I love all of the little decorations on the outside. I'm like so freaking in love. I don't know, I just love the packaging of the box. They make it so hard to throw away because of how cute they make the exterior of the box. So with all of that said, let's get into this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have a card on top. So the little paragraph, I'm just gonna read, it's a lot right here, but I'm just gonna read this first paragraph because I thought it was really interesting, and it really helps to open up my eyes into, like, I don't know, just how different religions view things and all of that. And I think it's really interesting, especially this. I don't know, I just found this paragraph like so freaking interesting. Here's what the first paragraph says. It says, "This month we honor the mother, the earth, and the goddess Shiitake, a popular and powerful archetype that embodies the feminine aspect of creation. In Hinduism, Shiitake is the divine mother who gives birth to and nurtures new life, whether it be a brand new baby," like you went and bought a baby. What I meant to say is whether a newborn baby, a brand new relationship, a fresh idea, or magical manifestation. Like, if I were to read this and somebody would be like, yeah, the goddess Shiitake is like just about creation and, like, you know, like new life, I would have just thought like babies. But the fact that this is like new life and new relationships and all of like everything that's like new in that aspect, I think that's really interesting. I have no idea why, but I'm like so, like, I'm sitting here like trying to film this video, and for some reason I'm like really nervous, so I keep like stuttering over my words. Please bear with me, guys. I'm like really nervous to talk to you guys today. I don't know why. I'm really sorry, but I am excited to get into this box. Maybe that's why, because I'm so excited. It's just like manifesting in nervousness. I don't know, but on the back of this card, it has everything that's inside this box as well as the retail value. So the first thing that I'm actually pulling out of the box besides the card is another card that says, "Feeling Fab Zen card. A woman is a full circle. Within her is a power to create, nurture, and transform. The Divine Mother, also referred to as Divine Feminine, represents a true power of love and safety. She is the soul and inner beauty of all that is created." Now there's a little affirmation on the back, and it says, "Powerful affirmation to awaken the Divine Feminine. My body is my own, and I love it unconditionally. Every wrinkle, scar, stretch mark, and dimple on my body tells a story." Okay, so let's get into the box. Okay, freaking, I'm loving, like, I want my hair this color purple. I literally say that every time I see the color purple. I'm always like telling you guys, like, I want my hair this color purple. Ooh. Oh my goodness, okay. This box is actually like kind of heavy. Like, it's heavier than some of the other subscription boxes that I felt this month. Okay, so I see the words mint and rose quartz, and I have to know what this is. Okay, so it says, "Be Lucia Wellness Candle, mint and rose quartz, precious illumination to soothe the soul. Light this healing candle to create an environment which cultivates love, compassion, and renewal." Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to open this up. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can, like, is it a twist off or a pop off? Ooh, that's fancy and something that I was not expecting. It surprised me so. Oh my gosh. Okay, this candle is so overwhelmingly amazing. Okay, so first I was so surprised at like what it actually looks like, that my whole body jerked back, and then I like got the smell of it, and it smells like Mentos. Okay, so it's literally a candle with rose quartz. Presumably rose quartz. I don't know. It kind of looks like rock salt to me. But I mean, like, I am not an expert here. So this is, from what I understand, this is rose quartz on the top. But it does smell like really minty. But it smells like minty gum, which I freaking love. Okay. So it says crystal infused. So this is rose quartz. I love how shiny it looks. Like, it might look really wet. And I have like one bead that's like, I mean, one crystal that's just like partying around. But if I can show that to you guys, I don't know if I can, because like it's a crystal and I don't want it falling, but that's what's sprinkling the top of the candle. So we have a minty candle. I love the smell of this mint so much. The next thing that I'm going to pull out, I'm really excited. I'm going to pull out both things because they look alike. Okay, so we have 4 little packs of these things. They're both from the brand Coconut Cloud. This is dry coconut milk creamer in vanilla flavor. And this one is Coconut Cloud dried coconut milk creamer an original. Oh, this one has MCT oil. That's really good because I drink MCT oil in my coffee in the morning because I follow the keto diet and I really don't like the taste of it, but I wonder if the powdered would taste any different, any better. And this is just vanilla, but it doesn't have any MCT oil. It says combine with an 8-ounce hot coffee or tea, stir and enjoy. Lactose-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, soy-free, and vegan and dairy-free. So I'm really excited this box didn't like cheap out on and just send us like one of each or even just one. Like we got 4 servings right here, and I know a lot of other boxes will be just like, oh, one and done. You can try this one, sweetheart, and don't complain because you only get one. But we got 4. 2 of each flavor. So not only do I get to experiment with a brand that I've never tried before, something that fits in my healthier lifestyle, but I get to try 2 different flavors. So I really got a nice variety right here. I mean, I know it's not a whole lot, still better than a lot of other boxes that I've seen and tried before. So I'm really happy that I was able to get 4 total dried milk creamers. So it gives me the opportunity to try it and really let me know if I actually like it. So we have 2 more things inside the box. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Essentials Derma-E Microdermabrasion Scrub. That smells like lemon lime, like a bright, not really super citrusy, but I do get like that lemon lime, like it reminds me of Sprite. Ooh, it's kind of hard, which is really surprising because it's like 100 degrees in my house right now. We don't have the air conditioning on. And it's really hot, and I expected a lot of these products to be like melted, especially this. If it's gonna be like a hard, like a lotion, like it feels like a hard lotion type of texture, but it's not melted. So I'm gonna put this on the back of my hand. That is so fine. I know I've tried a lot that are like super duper like heavy feeling, that feel like they're gonna tear my skin, but this is really light. Like I would say light enough for everyday use if you have like sunburn on your face and you're trying to get rid of all your scaly skin. I had that problem last week. My entire forehead, I forgot to put on sunscreen, and my entire forehead looked like an alligator. I really like the scent of this. I'm not getting it as much now because I'm really getting a lot of this the Jasmine Rose lotion, but when I first opened it up, I got a really nice, fresh, bright lemon lime scent. And the last thing that I'm pulling out is this really pretty red nail polish. So this is Nail Couture Lauren B Beauty Beverly Hills 7 free nail couture. No formaldehyde. Oh, here we getting into words that I won't be able to pronounce. Toluene, DBP, formaldehyde resin, camphor, TBHP, or xylene. Cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to smell it. I know, like, you shouldn't huff nail polish, and, like, this is everything that your middle school lab teacher tells you. Okay, that definitely smells like nail polish. I just know when I was like a little girl, there used to be nail polishes out there that were like scented. And so now I always expect like all nail polishes to be scented. However, that was not the case with this one. I just painted my nails, so they're still a little tacky. So and that would like ruin the brush of this nail polish. So I just took off a piece of the cardboard off the box and we're gonna paint it on to see what color this nail polish is. Oh, it's so vampy. It's a lovely vampy red. So I'm really living for this red color. It's really surprising to see this in like a spring summer box because this is a color that I would normally see in fall, winter, but definitely a lot more fall. However, I am living for it because I think this is a gorgeous color that would look so freaking pretty on my toenail. And I think it's really outside of the box because we know like there's a lot of brands out there that be like, oh, we're gonna send you pinks and creams and, you know, neutral colors for spring and summer, but not this. Not Feeling Fab. They thought outside of the box and sent this really pretty, it's like a rose, like a dark red ruby rose type of color. I'm loving it, and it seems to be drying really fast for how humid it is. I mean, I know it's not actually my nail, but for how humid it is outside, it's drying relatively fast. Let's go through and let's see what it says on the back of the card. So the beauty cream by Try Aloe and Cocoa. This is a $10 value. This uplifting lightweight moisturizer is made with ingredients we can actually pronounce. Both healing and soothing, it leaves skin soft and glowing. Apply this cream liberally to dry or damp skin to seal in moisture. I love the scent of this, and it's only $10, so that's something that I would actually like consider out and going like back out and like buying once I finish this up. The next thing is this Nail Enamel by Lauren B and Laurel Canyon Lover is an $18 value. Look and feel like a goddess with this gorgeous nail enamel by Lauren B. What's a nail enamel? Like, what's the difference between an enamel and a nail polish? Can somebody explain to me, like, what the difference is in the comment section down below? Because I would really, really love to understand. Her signature formula is cruelty-free and vegan and free of major toxins associated with nail polish. Next, we have the Mint and Rose Quartz Wellness Candle by B. Lucia, $14.95 value. Light this healing candle to create an environment that cultivates love, compassion, and renewal. The unique combination of refreshing mint and the compassion energy of rose quartz complement each other to create space for purifying and opening the heart, increasing focus and healing capacity. I think out of everything, this is what I'm most pumped for, because I've never seen anything like this ever. Like, and I run a small business on Etsy, so I'm constantly exposed to like these types of handmade products. I don't know if this is necessarily handmade, but I know this is like, I get like a very like Etsy small, you know what I mean? Like Etsy, like I would see this on Etsy. I would see this on Pinterest, and I've literally never seen a rose quartz or a crystal topped candles. I think it's very interesting. It's very unique. And out of everything, I think this is my favorite scent. And it's what I'm most excited to try out. I'm really excited to see like the energy that I get from this, and it's the most unique item in this box. It doesn't say anything on the card about the microdermabrasion scrub, so maybe that was accidentally left out. I don't know, but the next thing that's on here are talking about the dairy-free coconut creamer sticks by Coconut Cloud. $2 for 3 sticks. So I have an extra stick in here. These sticks are super convenient. Just throw one in your bag and you're on your way. Made from sustainably harvested coconuts, this creamer is the ultimate choice to elevate your morning cup of joe. On the front of the card, it says that the retail value for this box is $56. After completely unboxing this card, I have to say, here are my thoughts. So basically, I really love the message this box is sending. I really love the vibes it's sending out. I love the affirmation card because this is something you can keep and like pin on your locker, pin on a poster board, keep it up in your room, make yourself like, you know, just a constant reminder that you are important and that you are worthy of self-love. And I think, I don't know, I just really love, it's purple, it's feminine, it's cute, and the affirmation is extremely important. It's something that I 100% stand behind. So it's really exciting to see a box, you know, promote my same ideas and the same like issues that I'm fighting in our society. I also really love that everything in here is either vegan or cruelty free or both. So I think that's really interesting. It really kind of opens this box up to a whole selection of people rather than just like focusing on people who don't really care if they use vegan or cruelty free products. Like this opens this box up to everybody who, no matter what their standpoints on animal testing and like vegan or vegetarianism is. So like everybody can use this box, which I think is really interesting and another great idea to have. And I really like how there was a little bit of beauty in here and self-care and food, but I don't know, I think this is really exciting. I've never seen anything like this. It has me like, I am so incredibly fascinated by this. I feel like paying $28 for this box is a little pricey. I would feel more comfortable paying between $20 and $25 for this box. I do feel like it had a decent variety. We had 2 skincare items, we had a candle, we had a nail polish, and we had these creamer samples. I just feel like 28 is kind of a lot, especially since like you're not getting a whole lot. However, the products that you are getting, like besides this, I don't know if this is considered full size, but everything else I'm going to assume is full size. It's not samples and it's coming from smaller brands, and I know supporting smaller businesses always comes with a higher cost because smaller businesses have higher costs to keep their business up and running in comparison to major retailers. Get that? I just feel like it's a little expensive for everything that you do get in the box. But I don't know, they introduced me to a product that I never heard of, so I'm going to cut them a little bit of slack because this has me absolutely fascinated. So that is it for today's unboxing of Feeling Fab. What did you guys think of this box? What's something that you would like to see in this box? What are some of your opinions? I'd love to hear in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.